Hello everybody, it's Sophie here and I work for Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Sally's job is to make sure every single one of you is kept happy, healthy and safe. And today I'm going to give you a little idea to get us thinking about Article 27, your right to a good standard of living, a home, food and clothing. And we're going to be thinking a bit more about clothing. So, to start with, can you name some different weathers? How many can you name? I bet you can name lots. How about you can write them, paint them, or even draw them down on a piece of paper like I've done. I've only thought of 3, but I'm sure you can think of lots more. Let's think about what we need when it's sunny, when it's raining, and maybe, when it's super cold and snowing. How many items of clothing can you think about that's appropriate to wear in these different weathers? Maybe you can talk to somebody in your house or a friend, or maybe even a teacher about what's appropriate to wear in these weathers. Maybe you could even go on to draw them like I've done. I'm sure you could think of lots more. Maybe you could even then cut them out of old magazines and books, not without an adult's permission first. So that's definitely got us thinking today about appropriate clothing for different types of weathers. Don't forget, if you do the task, send it in for us to see at the Children's Commissioner for Wales' office. We'd love to see it. Good luck!